of our actions.
All right.
It's not
Let's do
our
it.
actions, Hendrix.
I have a gun.
Whatever they do is
So
on
do you.
them.
You're a girl.
Indeed I am. Alright, what do we do here?
Just go down and deploy. Let's just head out.
Okay. Oh. I'll take that CUDA. And I'll eat my gummy worms. Extract the safe house. Back to safe house. I guess. I'm so confused right now.
Just go in, pick your class, and let's go.
Oh, okay. Oh. Okay.
You're standing like right across from me.
I just choked on a gummy worm. I should probably say hello to the people. What's going on, guys? Speedy Trooper 4 here, and today I've got Mr. Conrad R35, Antoine 268, and we are on the Call of Duty.
I'm eating queso.
Indeed he is. I'm feeding them to him. And we are playing Black Ops 3 Call of Duty. Duty of Call 3 Ops Black. And we're doing the campaign, which I've never done, and it's on hardened. So this should be fun. Time for more gummy worms.
Let's kick some ass.
Yeah.
Just stick with me, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, dude. Michael?
Mm-hmm. The Immortals are slaughtering anyone
Ow.
between them and the safe house. I haven't
Hendrix.
seen anything like this in a long time.
Do we need Hendrix?
There's probably still some immortals lingering around. We have to
Holy
get
like
up
that,
straight.
man. Okay.
Agreed.
We are in
We'll cut
trouble.
through.
We can do it. We can do it. We can do it.
Once we find her, neither will we.
Am I the only one
Yeah.
This doesn't
upset
sound
about
good.
the...
What do you say, Hendrix?
Let's do what we do
Oh,
best.
okay. Are we supposed to fight them? Okay, we're fighting them.
I'm
I'm back.
Why did I jump into this?
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna throw
It's
the
on
back.
hard mode, by the way. It's on hard mode.
I'm lagging and it's not
Guys, I
good.
got this. Get some, motherfucker!
You know,
This
by the
is
time
not
we're
okay.
done saving King's ass,
Go to.
Private Wu. Private Wu got fucked up. Had a horrible.
Where are we?
stay low.
Hey! We're over here!
Michael.
These guys are mad at us, dude. We're trying to be friendly.
Head up top.
Home dick.
Find your way through.
I hope you're right about her.
God, I want to save these people. Shit, they're on fire.
Wait till no one's looking.
Oh God! Hey man.
Those guys are still on fire over there.
Hey. I'll save him.
No.
I'll save him. Hold on.
Still, where are you going?
I was going to save those guys, man. I'm on fire. They're in worse shape than I am. I'm coming! Guys?
I guess you could call that a shape.
Guys? They're not answering.
That's the
I don't need that, boys!
try to stay
I'm going in!
heavy immortal presence.
No, it's not. We're good. We're good. I'm taking to the roof.
Shit, go high.
They don't see me coming.
Drop them all. They're onto us. Let's go.
No,
We
I'm
gotta
not.
push
You
through to
got
the
this.
office building ahead.
Foolproof plan. Oh, shit. They see me coming.
Michael, just don't.
Wait till no one's looking.
Hey guys.
Yeah, Michael, keep doing what you're doing. We're picking them off.
Okay.
Yeah. Just stay still. Stay out in the open.
Stay, yeah. Stay. Just don't die. Whatever you do, just don't.
That's
Just
difficult.
Just don't.
Can't tell
I
me
looked at
not
his
to
ball and
die.
I was like, no, he's not gonna die.
No. What?
Shotgun time.
Michael, no, stop.
It's
Stop
a long-range
running in.
weapon, dude. It's a long-range weapon.
You did not just say that.
Easy.
We took
No.
shotgun time. No thanks.
Just chilling over here.
Trix is chilling.
Fucking assholes. What are you doing? How do I get in this shit?
Gotta knife it.
I'm gonna rerun grenade.
Grenade. You see him? Oh.
Wow. You all die together.
We're here. How do we...
There's grenades all over the place.
I threw it back at you.
No.
Alright, we're here. What the fuck? What if I do this?
Saw, dude.
Nope, that didn't do anything. Dude, go to the safe house. Bitch, we're at the fucking safe house.
Go to.
Maybe the safe house is taking us.
Hello?
Hello?
Can we go to Disneyland?
Hope nobody's on it. No.
Oh.
Yeah.
Anthony, where are you?
Maybe we didn't kill everybody back here. Just
Oh,
stay
there.
right there. I'll be right back.
I'll go with you.
No, Michael.
I think we all have to be here.
We all
Maybe
have
that's
been
why,
here.
because I wasn't there.
Anthony.
What do you mean
No,
you
I
weren't
w-
there? Where the
No,
fuck were you?
I wasn't at the door.
You fucking half-wit.
Alright, shoot it. Anyone have an RPG?
Hi.
No?
Let's talk peacefully.
Jay,
Gorbin.
Michael, if you die.
Just like that.
What have you
Okay.
been doing this whole time?
I'm died too.
I've died too.
I've died.
Alive. Oh, got you, car nut.
Ah!
Haha.
I'm alive!
I'm shooting the rocket. Shooting the rocket.
Uh-oh. I'm out of rockets.
I hit it with one. I hit it with two. Oh, I'm dead.
Ah!
Get some, motherfucker!
I'm dead.
Oh shit. Well, Anthony
I'm
died.
alive. Oh my god.
Hit it, Anthony, hit it. I'm gonna revive Michael.
Down for good.
Oh.
Hey, we got it.
Quickly.
Alright, well, now we have to revive.
I'm okay.
Go revive Michael.
Oh,
Oh, my god.
jeez. Okay. Don't worry, I got you.
Shit, I'm down too.
Stupid snipers.
It's okay.
Yeah, Sniper's got me too. Come revive me.
Immediately run the fuck away right now.
Yo! As Michael was reviving me, he got slapped. He got
Alright.
Yo,
I'm gonna
that
end
guy's
this
so
video
funny.
off.
Take on that thing again.
I'm gonna end this thing off right here. Thank you for watching, everybody. We won. We beat the map. Congratulations. Thank you for watching. Bye.